Hey everyone, we are on our 6th weekly challenge, and this week I'd like you to think about your in-class student experience. How do you currently deliver classes? There are a lot of different platforms out there which you can take advantage of, and they all have their pros and cons. So, the first step here is to look at how you currently deliver classes and see if there are any friction points. Are there any areas you could improve? This doesn't have to be an immediate change. In fact, it would be better for you to go more slowly to avoid disruption and make sure that transition is smooth. The second part of our challenge is to add clear information about how your classes are delivered to your website. It's something that students will always want to know when they're considering your service. Like, how do I take classes? Is this going to be easy or a pain in the behind? We've created some videos comparing the main options for class delivery, which I will link in the description, but I would love to hear about your experience too. Please give your opinions in the comments below. Which platforms have you used? Which ones did you recommend and which ones did you avoid like the plague? If you'd like to learn more about marketing techniques that can help you get more students, then head over to getmorestudents.org, where you can sign up for free and access plenty of advice and resources, including all of our weekly challenges. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to see more videos like this one. Well, that's all from me. Have a good week and happy teaching.